Hello, it's me Maaike, and we are going to make this easy, fun flipbooks. Short, I'm going to tell you why. Because I am missing you. Back in the days when I started crafting, there were so many ladies who were crafting, sharing their crafts. And now a few years later, I'm talking about 3 years later, I think 2 years maybe, all those ladies are not crafting anymore. And I really miss them. I think it's a pity that back in the days, in the pandemic, everybody was sharing. You had the time, of course, so it was much easier than now. But I think all those, I'm thinking on all those stashes you have, you're not using it. And yes, maybe I'm totally wrong. Please let me know. But if you are feeling the same sentiment that there are less crafty friends on the internet, then this video is for you, because I just want to get you get crafty again, because it's so much fun to be crafty. And of course, it's possible you don't want to be crafty anymore. That's fine. But if you want to be crafty, then I maybe can help you, because I want to make a series about easy but fun crafts to get you back to your craft room, your craft table maybe. So here we go. And this week, I think I'm going to do it weekly, not sure yet. We are going to start with these ones. And you can see it says Easter, so it's a super fun and easy flip book I've made. Well, you all know it probably, but this is so much fun to make it. And yeah, this is all the basic, and I want to get back to the basics. You don't need dies. I've used the word Easter, that's die of course, but you don't need it. I didn't even use the scoring tool to make this one. It's super easy, it's super fun, and also it's a hidden pocket. So this, you can open it, and then you can get out this paper. So that's so much fun. Just a small fun detail to this one. And we are going to make this one. And yeah, let's stay tuned if you want to make it. Let's stay tuned if you want to be creative again. And please let me know if you think I'm right, or am I wrong and just talking rubbish. I really don't. Rubbish? Not sure if that's the right word. But please tell me know what your thoughts are, and yeah, happy crafting. Bye bye. So hello, here we go, and I'm going to show you how to make these super fun but easy flip books. You all know them probably from years ago, but as I said, I want to get you back to your craft room. So here we go. And because probably you know how to make it, I'm going to show you, because maybe you're new and you don't know, or you just want to follow a simple tutorial. So here we go. And I want to show you something that's fun, because the front is a pocket. Look, you can see. I can get it out. So this is just a pocket, so already you can tuck a picture or just some journaling. So this is a fun, easy, hidden tag flip in your little book. Then we've got this Easter sentiment. It's from a scrap diva die, but of course maybe you've got some other dies, or just whatever you want. You don't have to use Easter, for example, but I thought it was fun because it's going to be spring, it's going to be Easter. So yeah, I just loved making this, and it was super easy, super fun. And look, and maybe you would like to know, I've used the Simple Stories Tea Garden collection, sorry. So yes, I'm going to show you how I've made it. And we are going to make almost the same, but as you can see, it's the same paper collection, but it has a totally different feel. And I really love that, so you can go anywhere. And you can see I've made some really difficult sentiments. I want to make shaker letters with my fuse tool, and oh my goodies, this was really difficult. I'm not really happy with the results. I like it, it's fun, but I'm trying to make it more easy so I can show you how to make it, because this is not something I can make for a tutorial. It's not good enough, but I thought it was fun and I want to use it and maybe to give you some inspiration. So all I did, I get this pocket. It's from it's from Simple Stories. It's 4x6. I cut this part away because you can put it in your album, of course. And well, I put the paper inside. It's 4x6. I got some glue on the back and I can place it like here. And also you need is this paper, and this is 8x6. And all I did was, I even did not use a scoring tool. It's just like this, you flip it over and then you're done. So that's what I did. And I also got this really easy insides like this. Those layering pieces, they are 1/4 of an inch smaller than this paper. So it's 375 by 575. Well, it's super easy. As you can see, I hardly don't have to explain you anything. And then we've got this piece. This is just for the pocket. You can place it like this. And this piece is really up to you how you're going to make it. You just run it through your paper, how do you say, you just make it in the size you want and then you're done. So this is so easy. I see I don't have my glue. So I've got my glue, and I also thought I'm going to take this one, because then I can show you how you easily can make a pocket like this. All you have to do, I just eyeball it, because I'm not really sure what size I want, but all you do, let me see, yes, you place your corner of the paper in this slide. You're going to do it like this, and there you have your pocket. And of course this one is smaller, so you maybe have to measure it. But yeah, it's so much fun to make those super easy and fun pockets. So that's a quick way to how to make them. Now I'm going to make this flip book. At first I'm going to glue the base piece inside. Yeah, and it's super easy. It's really, maybe it's too easy, I'm not really sure. But please let me know if you like these videos, if it will get you back to your craft room, or that maybe you're wondering why are you talking about back to my craft room. I am crafty. So yeah, I just want to know if my feeling is right. Got some glue. And I just love the paper. And I think it's so much fun that it's so easy to make this pocket. And I don't use any wedges or something, or just some glue to adhesive to this paper. And there you've got your pocket. And of course you can make a layer in it, or just whatever you want, but this is so easy and this is so much fun, isn't it? This is where it all began. Then I only have to attach the front, Easter, make sure it's on the right. How? And you can see there's a little bit left over of the paper, but I like it. So you already can see a little bit of the background. So this is the front, Easter. It's so much fun, so easy. And this is when you are opening it, and I just love it. So I hope you liked seeing this, and maybe when it really get you back to your table, please let me know. Or if you have some suggestions, let me know, and you will see what I can do for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.